Hey, what's up guys? Me again. I just wanted to show you a quick little hack in case you don't have a cheater pipe on you, or you're out working on something and you only got like one of them little plastic cases full of tools and you need a pipe, need some more leverage. Well, what brought me to this idea, I was working with a buddy of mine the other day and he never seen this trick before, and I couldn't believe he never seen it because I've known this ever since I was like 14. But basically, you get yourself however long of an extension you need, put a socket on it, big enough to go over your ratchet handle, but also small enough so it doesn't flop around. Sorry, I kind of got to do this off camera a little bit, but like this. And now, you took your 8-inch ratchet, and now you have a 2-foot ratchet. And it works great. I've used it many times. Just wanted to show everybody a little trick. That way, in case you're ever in the same boat, you need some more leverage because you're working on a rusty piece of crap. And there you go. It's helped me out many times. Got me out of many jams. It's come in handy quite a lot. But like I said, I figured I'd just share that because I literally thought everybody knew. But I guess not everybody does. And if you do know, kudos to you, buddy. That's pretty awesome. But until next time, guys, take care. Thanks for watching.